My name is Ann Marie Walts. I am the owner of Ann Marie Walts Official, a platform where I share my journey and insights. For over 20 years, I have been creating content that resonates with people all around the world, blending my passion for technology and business. I introduced online booking to my hair extension salon back in 2001, which was quite untraditional for that time. Technology has always been my ally. I discovered the power of automation early on, transforming my clients' experiences with smooth online booking and timely follow-ups before AI became mainstream. 7 years ago, our family achieved a milestone by becoming 100% debt-free. I documented every step of that journey to inspire others. For the past several years, I have focused my attention on affiliate marketing, applying my visionary mindset and practical strategies to achieve success. I started my YouTube channel 14 months ago, dedicating myself to inspiring others to create income streams through their own systems. I am passionate about helping people leverage affiliate marketing and technology to elevate their professional trades or sales careers. I want to connect with individuals looking to establish their own agencies, demonstrating how they too can earn substantial income using the tools available. I take pride in teaching others the how-to of creating successful systems that bring them time and financial freedom, just like I have experienced. Working part-time was a choice our family made, and thanks to automation, I have been able to maintain that balance while achieving my goals. With 24 years of experience, I understand that automation is key. It provided me with the freedom to explore new opportunities and spend more time with my loved ones. I am not here to sell hype. I am here to educate and empower you with systems that work, showing a clear path to success without the fluff.